It's hot out here in the desert in June, 116 degrees. Some folks might describe this desert as otherworldly. The heat and the wind do very strange things to the landscape. This desert is Death Valley. And if you're not careful, the heat'll kill you. But someone, about 100 years ago, built an oasis in the desert, built it on top of a giant aquifer. Not many people would have predicted there was this kind of water down there. The harsh, barren desert was transformed into an oasis. Today it's called the Inn at Death Valley. Back in 1927, the original hotel here, the Furnace Creek Inn, was constructed by the Pacific Coast Borax Company. Over the decades that followed, a lot of famous people stayed out here: Marlon Brando, Clark Gable, and Ronald Reagan. Today, the Inn at Death Valley is a historic luxury resort in Death Valley National Park. It's owned by Philip Anschutz's Xanterra Corporation. A few years ago, it was renovated as part of a $200 million restoration. The inn features 21 luxury casitas. We stayed here for 4 nights in Casita 521. Next door was our grandson in 520. 2 casitas back to back. And a really fun part of staying here, each casita came with its own golf cart. So let's head into 521 and take a look around. In the kitchen area, there was a large microwave and a small refrigerator. So how do you keep cool when it's 116 outside? Well, there are fans in each room blasting away, plus an air conditioning unit in each of the 2 rooms in each of the casitas. We set the AC on 67 and it was cool. Just outside each casita is a sitting area for relaxing. Our sitting area overlooked a lovely green space. Question: how are they able to keep it so green? Answer: lots of water. Okay, let's head on over via golf cart to the Inn at Death Valley restaurant. The restaurant was one of my favorite parts of the inn. We ate 3 evening meals here. They were all terrific. We had top-notch service, and thanks again to our waiter, Mike. This is the desert, and if you're wondering, what do you do out here? Well, we did adventure hiking in the morning. We relaxed at the inn in the afternoon, a lot of swimming, had a fantastic meal in the 5 o'clock hour. Thanks for joining us here today at the end. If you like the video, hit that like button down below.